This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today's topic for Ask the Pros is, why don't we have a showroom? It's a big question when you guys call in. The point of these videos is to kind of address some of the things that you're already thinking prior to calling in and talking to the Dream Team. So we're going to get into it in just a minute. If you would like to purchase, we ship throughout the entire nation and we have free consultation services, guys. So we're a 2021 business and we're going to be here for many years to come. When you call in and you talk with our sales advisors, they're sitting there on their cell phones, looking at you in the face, looking at your space and optimizing exact packages to fit your exact needs in space. So that's kind of a little hint into what we're going to get into in just a minute. All right, guys. Well, let's get into this video. Welcome back, guys, to Ask the Pros. Why does Dreamedia not have a showroom? Dave, kick us off.
I think the biggest reason why is how much stuff is out there. I mean, there's so much variety in product. I mean, you couldn't showcase everything, and if we could, it wouldn't be maximized, and so you wouldn't have an idea of how that would actually perform in your individual space. And that's really kind of the thing too. I mean, it's one of those deals where we only deal with brands that are known by and large. I mean, we do have some brands that are maybe a little bit off the beaten path. From the standpoint of not being as mainstream, I find that with audio, sometimes it's a good thing, not to sound snobbish, but that just means it's not everywhere, and that's normally a good thing. But we're accessible. I know there's kind of a mindset, certainly with a lot of clients that I've talked to, that, hey, if I can't see you face to face, if you're not within a 20-minute drive of me, then potentially there's a little bit of a trust issue or something there. But the truth is, everybody has our cell phones. I give out my work cell phone all the time. And, because I'm always juggling cell phones, a lot of people have my personal cell too, and I have no problem with that. We want to be as accessible as possible. And we want to make sure that whatever questions you have and whatever personal circumstances are surrounding your space, that we're dialing in things correctly. The flip side of it too is that we have a lot of good responses from our YouTube channel, right? And so because of that, they kind of is a virtual showroom, and our showroom in many cases are client homes that are kind of espousing, their love for what we've done. And, we don't pay people for that. It's out of their enthusiasm. And it's really, I think that's more effective in a lot of cases than having a heavy jump in your car and go someplace and look at something that may not even fit in your space.
Yeah, he hit on a lot of different, very important topics, guys. There's a reason. I've had showrooms, many showrooms over the years, and we've evolved into a 2021 business. And we're able to show you through our virtual showroom thousands of theaters rather than just one or two. I even threw around with the guys prior to starting this video. I mean, we would need a 10 to 20,000 square foot warehouse, and I would need, just the whole thing packed full of gear to even start to show you some of the options that we have available. Whereas you call and you talk to David, you talk to Kellen, they're going to sit there on a FaceTime and look at your room, not our showroom. They're going to look at your space and say, how can we make this the absolute best experience? How can we make this your dream home theater, right? All right, Kellen, what do you have to add in here?
Yeah, I know, because I was once a customer to Dreamedia. I asked the same thing, and Zach, I know you mentioned prior, just the overhead, and I think you even made the comment, a lot of people didn't even go to the showroom anyways. So I think as we evolved, and we didn't even have a showroom going into the pandemic and with COVID and everything. So unfortunately, a lot of our competitors have shut down because they did have a huge brick and mortar store to obtain and showrooms to cater to. And those monies, that dollar can only stretch so far. And to your point, you can't showcase everything that we offer. Certainly we can show you a room with a few items, but at the end of the day, it's best to just get something that's going to work for your room, the customer's budget, and achieve the goal that they're wanting to achieve. And certainly with some of our premium options, there is a chance and opportunity for you to experience some of that firsthand if you would like. But for the most part, by and large, it's going to be folks that want to get something that fits their budget and it's going to work for what they have right now. And we are accessible. To Dave's point, you have my phone number, you have Dave's number. We can FaceTime. We can, you text me photos all the time. We're there for you. So feel free to reach out. We're willing to help you, and I guarantee you, something that we're wanting to put in your space is something that Dave would want in his. We're not going to just throw something out there that we wouldn't want to enjoy ourselves. Certainly, if you ask for specific brands, we'll cater to that. But by and large, it's going to be something that works well for the space, and we're just here to help.
That's it, guys. That's exactly what it is. We're just here to be your friends and make sure you make an educated buying decision. We want to maximize the potential of your dollar. That's really why we don't have a showroom. I mean, I can remember I came from custom integration. That's where I started, doing just large, massive homes, 10,000 square foot homes and up. And the people, even the theater customers, we'd be sitting at our showroom and they would call and say, "Can you come out here?" So that's where this started, was, okay, nobody even cares about the showroom. They want us to come out and assess the situation hands-on, which we've taken that approach and evolved into a 2021 business model where we're doing it virtually. And luckily, I have guys on my team like Dave and Kellen who can do that virtually, because not everybody can. You can't call up, the 18-year-old at Best Buy and expect him to be able to pull that off. It takes years and years of seeing theater after theater, space after space, to where you can quickly assess the situation and recommend products at the drop of a hat. They're going to fit a budget and the space. So long story short, we're here to customize these packages for you guys and make sure that we maximize the experience. I think that's all we got for you, right, guys?
I think so.
Good.
Call, experience it for yourself. Set up a FaceTime video and we will hook you guys up. All right. Well, if you like the video, give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. We got tons of videos. I don't even know how many at this point. It's got to be thousands of videos out there where, like Dave said, you can hear customer testimonials, not paid testimonials, just really people who have evolved into our friends, who love this stuff and find joy. I always say, kids playing with toys. That is us here at Dreamedia. We want to get our hands on it. We want to play with this stuff, and we want to make solid recommendations to you guys. So we ship throughout the entire nation. We got a very extensive preferred installer network, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. Well, till next time, this is Zach, Dave, and Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.